Hello and welcome to this video on how to build $1 million investment portfolio. In this video, we will take a detailed look at the steps you can take to create a successful investment portfolio that can help you achieve your financial goals. Before we begin, let's understand what an investment portfolio is. An investment portfolio is a collection of assets such as stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and other securities that an individual or organization holds with the expectation of earning a return on their investment. So, without any further ado, let's dive right into the steps to building $1 million investment portfolio. Step 1. Establish your financial goals. The first step in building an investment portfolio is to establish your financial goals. Do you want to create a passive income stream, save for retirement, or build wealth over the long term? Once you've identified your financial goals, you can determine the amount of money you need to invest and the time horizon for achieving your goals. Step 2. Choose the right investment vehicles. The second step is to choose the right investment vehicles. This includes a range of options such as stocks, bonds, mutual funds, exchange-traded funds, and other securities. Each of these investment vehicles has different levels of risk and potential returns, so it's important to choose those that align with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Step 3. Diversify your portfolio. Diversification is an essential aspect of building a successful investment portfolio. This means investing in different asset classes and securities to spread your risk and reduce the impact of market volatility. A well-diversified portfolio can help mitigate the impact of a downturn in any one particular asset class. Step 4. Create a plan for asset allocation. Asset allocation is the process of dividing your investment portfolio into different asset classes based on your financial goals, risk tolerance, and investment time horizon. For example, if you have a long-term investment horizon, you may choose to invest more heavily in stocks, whereas if you have a short-term horizon, you may choose to invest more heavily in bonds. Step 5. Keep an eye on fees and expenses. Investing can come with a range of fees and expenses, including transaction fees, management fees, and other costs associated with maintaining your investment portfolio. Be sure to keep an eye on these costs and choose investment vehicles that offer low fees and expenses, as these can eat into your returns over time. Building $1 million investment portfolio requires a well-thought-out plan that aligns with your financial goals, risk tolerance, and investment time horizon. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can create a successful investment portfolio that can help you achieve your financial goals and build wealth over the long term. Remember, investing is a long-term game, and patience and discipline are key to achieving success. Thank you for watching.